how to redeem your Fortnite gift card or how to redeem your Fortnite V-Bucks card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily redeem your Fortnite gift card. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy through this video. First things first, what you can do is I'll give you the sorcery. You can simply head into your browser on any of your device, and then you want to type in redeem Fortnite gift card and search for it. Simply type in redeem Fortnite gift card and search for it. You'll get these links here. You can see the first link, you can see Fortnite V-Bucks redeem V-Bucks gift card. See, you want to tap on this particular link that shows up, and here it'll ask you to log into your account. In my case, I'm already logged in, so you can see it's not asking me to log in. You want to log into the account that you want to redeem the card on, and then scroll down and tap on get started. Once you tap on get started, it'll ask you to enter your code pin, your gift card code pin. You want to enter it here and go ahead and you can redeem it to your account. So this way you can redeem Fortnite gift card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.